Okay, so boat overheats a little bit while you're in Lake Nacimiento. Turn off the valve on the water inlet right next to the gas tank. Unscrew the filter cap. Separate the filter cap from the hose. Oh yeah, there's some gunk in there. Pull out the wood chips by flushing them in the water. Much cleaner. A little bit more maybe. Nice and squeaky clean. Stick the filter back into the cup. Screw the cup back onto the hose. Do I need to fire up the boat? Fire up the boat. Turn the valve back on so you have fresh water coming in. Fire up the boat. Fresh water